This is one, sorry, this is one more fact table. This fact table again connected with the multiple dimension tables. So this is a complex star schema. Okay, this is the inventory. This is the fact sales. This is the inventory. Like that, again one more fact table. So like that, n number of fact tables are connected with the n number of dimension tables. That is nothing but the complex star schema. Okay. Now come to the what is the advantages of the star schema? What is the disadvantages of the star schema? So advantages is nothing but the, so we can able to understand the this one. So what is the tables are there? What is the relation between one table to another table? So we can able to easily understand. For example, I want to retrieve the data, some particular brand on the location, particular store on a weekly basis. What is the sales happen that particular brand sales in a weekly basis? Okay, on particular week, I want how much sales happen in the that particular brand. What you are going to do, guys? I am going to give you a join between these two. Okay, product to product I am going to give a join, date to date I am going to give a join, and location to location I am going to give a join, and then I am going to retrieve the data. What is the sales happen on particular brand? For example, Levi's or Flying Machine, whatever the Allen Solly. For example, take Allen Solly. On Allen Solly, weekly on particular week. For example, take a 2021-01-01 first week. Okay, this is the first week data. For example, 7th week is completed on the 7th. For example, Saturday to Friday. Okay, this particular week on particular store, how much sales happen, we can able to easily calculate. Means star schema can able to easily understand the model. Can easily understand the model on the star schema. That is the advantages of the star schema. We can able to easily understand the star schema because of the number of tables will be less here. Number of dimension tables are the less. So one-to-one relationship here, then we can able to easily understand. But what is the disadvantages means, all the data, whatever the data we are getting here, all the data is going to store into the single table. All the product, daily the products maybe it will come increase, right? So millions of products we are getting every day. So all the information they are going to store into the single table. Automatically the table size will be is going to increase on day to day. The table size will be increase on the day to day. If you are maintaining the historical data, so day to day it is going to increase the size. Day to day the table size is going to increase because of the huge amount of the data we are getting. Mean automatically the performance is going to decrease. For example, if you have 100 records are there, for 100 records is taking the 1 second to retrieve. If you have 100 million records are there, then how many days it will, how much time it will take to run the query, to run the data? It will take so much time, long time it will take. So that is the reason the query performance is going to decrease in the star schema due to huge amount of data. Okay. For example, best example, take any Excel sheet or notepad. Excel sheet. Take any Excel sheet. If you open this Excel sheet, if you have 1 KB file, because of very less data, it will be 1 KB file. Immediately it is going to open. Immediately it is going to open. For example, here 100 GB is there or 50 GB is there. Here 100 GB or 50 GB is there. Then if you open this file, it will take some time to fetch the data and then it will going to display. It will take some time, right? Because of the huge amount of data is there in this file. We can't open this kind of files immediately. It will take 1 minute to 5 minutes. It will take the 5 minutes to retrieve and then it will open the file. Okay. The same way here also, the star schema also. So day to day the number of tables are going to, the data is going to increase. So that is the reason the query performance is going to decrease on the star schema. The query performance is going to decrease on the star schema. That is the disadvantages of the star schema. Clear, guys? What is meant by what is the disadvantages? So the Snowflake schema, sorry, advantages of the star schema means we can able to easily understand the star schema. Easily understand, we can able to retrieve the data easily. But disadvantage will be the query performance is going to decrease because of the huge amount of data is going to store into the single dimension tables. All information going to product information is going to only product dimension only. That is the reason query performance is going to decrease on the star schema. Okay, that is the star schema. What is star schema? Advantages of the star schema and disadvantages of the star schema. Next, come to the Snowflake schema. The Snowflake schema is nothing but the, an extension of the star schema is nothing but the Snowflake schema. Whatever the overcome is there, what are the issues are there in the star schema, that we are going to overcome in the Snowflake schema. So these dimension tables can be split into multiple tables. Okay, these dimension tables can be split into multiple tables in the Snowflake schema. So like that, all the dimensions is going to split into the number of lookup tables. So Snowflake schema is nothing but the extension of the star schema. The fact table connected with the multiple dimension table, that the dimension table can be split into multiple tables again. Again it is going to split into the multiple tables. Clear, guys? Here like this. So n number of tables depends upon the requirement. They are going to split this table into the n number of tables. So the data is going to split into the number of tables are the is going to split here. Okay, automatically the advantage will be, now what is the advantage here? The query performance will be going to increase the due to the number of lookup tables are more. Means data is going to split into the other tables. So automatically the query performance is going to increase here. So the star schema disadvantages is nothing but star schema disadvantages. Here will be advantages. Their query performance is going to decrease. Here query performance will be increased in the Snowflake schema. Snowflake schema is nothing but the fact table connected with the dimension tables. Those dimension tables can be splitted into multiple dimension tables. Okay, that is the definition of the Snowflake schema. But what is the disadvantages here? Here in the star schema, so one table is going to build here, means effort will be decrease, less effort. Okay, but here now we need to create the multiple dimensions. So many lookup tables they need to create, means the effort is going to increase here. The cost is going to increase. For one table 5 days you can take. The now maybe 5 tables here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tables are we need to develop. Means automatically the resources need increase. The cost, the effort, everything is going to increase in the Snowflake schema. Okay, effort is going to increase, and then we can able to difficult to understand the Snowflake schema. Difficult to understand the Snowflake schema. For example, here the brand information, the same brand information I want to retrieve means, for example, that brand information in this table is there, then I have to give the join from here to here, here to here, here to here. Okay, due to the number of lookup tables are more, you have to give the, for understanding will be difficulty. So I am going to show you, are able to see this screen, right?